I'm Chris Payne. I work at Quantum Soup Studios, which I founded after working at TT Games for a long time, and I set up the studio based in Wrexham, although we are a distributed studio, so we do have team members in various different countries, such as Ireland and Australia. One of the nice things about the games industry is that you can work remotely for companies, so you have the opportunity to work potentially anywhere in the world, or at least anywhere in a similar time zone, as long as you have a decent internet connection.
And what would you say to someone who maybe is in college in North Wales and think they have to leave? What's the kind of digital and gaming industry like here?
It's growing, it's fledgling. There's a lot more down in South Wales, but North Wales has a scattering of companies such as mine starting up, and it's only going to get bigger. There's also a lot of great courses at Bangor University, Glyndŵr University, that will get you started on the road to game development, and of course there's a lot that you can teach yourself using tutorials online and YouTube videos. So there's certainly a lot of potential here in North Wales.